What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Lock Shed. Keybeard here as your host. We've got a fun one today. We have a challenge lock. A fellow lockpicker in the lockpicking subreddit sent this to me. He goes by the name Yabbo, and also Ambitious Ad 3078. Thank you for letting me take a shot at your challenge lock. He's made a very nice American lock challenge lock, which he has dubbed the Alpha 1. Alpha 11111. I'm going to attempt to pick it. I have not even tried yet. This is going to be my first try. I haven't even took the keys. I don't even know if it works. I'm going to try to pick it with just the keys just sitting on there. And let's give it a shot, I guess. Yeah. So let me get it situated into the device. Get a good angle going. There we go. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. Now we're seeing some pretty stuff. Are my fingers going to be in the way? Hopefully not. For picking this today, I'm going to be using Multi-Picks top of the keyway tension wrench, the 1mm. Do I want the 1mm? No, I don't want the 1mm. I want the 1.3mm. That's the guy. Yeah, that fits nicely in there. So we're going to use the Multi-Pick 1.3mm, and I'm going to use their Deep Hook Multi-Pick 4mm thick pick. So this is from their 27 set Elite set. So let's see what he's got going on in here. Okay. And I'm going to treat it just like an American lock. I'm going to do very light tension and see what we can do here. Alright, everybody, this is attempt number 2. And I'm switching to a deeper hook from the Multi-Pick Elite set. So let's take a gander here. Couple clicks on 5. Okay. Let's see, that wasn't it. 5. Well, nothing going yet. Now let's try. There's 1. 3. So I click on 3. Got some feedback on 1. Oh, and there's an open. Hold on. The key is in the way. Let me grab a secondary tension wrench real quick so I can. Boom. There we go. All right. Took 2 tries. Yabbo, good work. Let me keep it in the shot. Keep it in the shot. Keep it in the shot, guys. Come on. There we go. Sorry, I had to adjust my microphone. And let's gut it and see what's inside this thing. There we go. Drop her down. All right. So let's bring it out a little bit. There we go. Looks like I need that Phillips head. There we go. Oh, I'm going to need this guy too. And Phillips head. Okay. There we go. There we go. nice. He does have a wafer back there for anti-shimming, or not shimming. What's that called, guys? Help me out. Bypass, anti-bypass in there. Okay. So let's get the other screwdriver out. I really should invest into like a C-clip removal, but I don't do that. There we go. Very good. All right, let's see what he's got in there. So this is just my little brass follower that I made, and we're gonna slide him in. Where's the pins out? Right there. And yep. Very nice. Okay. So this was a six chambered core, but he's only got it pinned to 5. I kind of already knew that because the key is pinned up to 5. Let's see what he's got in here. Looks like we got a serrated. If I can, there we go, a little better. There we go. Serrated. 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 Little tiny standard. I gotta keep my hand out of there. And a serrated. Any type of changes in the core? It doesn't look like it. No core changes, just your basic core. Grab my tweezers and we will start from the back. Let's see what he's got. So pins, chamber 6 is empty. Chamber 5, he's got a serrated. I'm gonna dump the springs same time just in case he's got different springs in there. Chamber 3, he has a very nice serrated spool. Very nice. And yep, he's got a different spring in 3. Ooh, nice long one. That'll give you some different feedback. Alright, we're going to go to the front now. We'll just start the front. Chamber 1, we got another serrated spool with nice little copper spring. I'm blurring it up, ain't I? Over here we have a regular spool, non-serrated. And oh, that was 3, and the spring's popping out too. So I'm gonna pull that spring out. There we go. And 3 is a serrated. And let's pop that last spring out, which is a copper. All right, let's take a look at your core. Nothing changed on the core. All right, all right. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look what we got here. So, there we go. So what he's got here is a bunch of serrated key pins. Very nice. Just a standard small pin with some nice serrated spools. Some nice, I don't know if these are these standard serrated, or did he make these? He might. I think he made these spools here, or not spools. I'm sorry. These serrateds. Those are nicely done if they are made by him. I don't remember American locks having that deep of a serrated security pin. Nicely done. If he made these. Yabbo, if you're listening, make a comment down. Did you make those? Those are nice. Let's see if we got a spool here. Is this one also handmade? No, this is just a, oops. That's just your average American spool, I think. Unless he does really good work. I'm not really sure. Let's take a look. Yabbo man, you're gonna have to write in the comments and tell me if you made these, because I'm not really certain if you did or not. Yeah, not bad. These guys I know. That's a serrated spool. I know these well. These are American locks. And then this spring is probably what gave me the most trouble for the feedback. Hold on, let me grab my American lock pinning kit for a second. I've never, I don't think I've seen a spool that well cut. I think he made those spools, guys. And let's take a look at let's compare real quickly to what he's got. So this is just an American lock serrated, and then this is what he's got in his challenge lock. I'm gonna say he made these serrated pins, unless he pulled them off of something else. But I'm not sure what other pins are small enough like this with American. Maybe those tiny Avis cores. I'm not sure. But these I think are homemade by him. And then this spool here, I also want to say could have been homemade. Looking in my little kit here, here's one. This is the only standard spool that I have of American lock. And you can see his top and bottom are a little wider than mine. So I'm going to say he made that. Yeah. Put this back so I don't. Anyway. Yeah. So I think he made those. So very nice challenge lock, Yabbo. Very well done. Things I would try. I would probably throw a couple more different types of springs in there. Maybe cut a T pin into one of these, or a spool into your bottom pins. That'll make it a little different. But there it is, folks. A very nice challenge lock done by a Reddit user Yabbo, or ambitious ad 3078. He goes by as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I gotta hit that 200 mark at some point, right? And then maybe I'll do another giveaway. That'd be kind of fun. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and happy picking.